Yo, wagwan. Hear me I say, become a member of the channel, which is going really fast. The channel is going so quick. Become a member, get some exclusive reactions and just some exclusive chat with your boy. You know, by hitting the join button next to the subscribe button. You understand? Yes, become a member of the channel. You know what I mean? Yes. Binds. I'm not gonna bind later.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we are with Jae Prynse and Pablo YG. Yeah, big up yourself, Jae Prynse. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up Pablo YG. Don't know the thing go. We're gonna jump in the one here and see what go on in the goals. So let's go. Alright. Let's go.
Yo, 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂.
Pick up yourself. JPM, Jae Prynse Music Group. Production team. Jae Prynse are doing one thing, you know. That is a goal. Yeah, goal. You're deaf. Ready.
Yo, 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿.
Yo, skill cool. Yo, touch bad. We sing song for make you them feel motivated.
Yeah, we sing songs to make the youth them feel motivated. We not bring down no youth around here. Ready?
Powerful, strong. Them feel like them struggles, you know, nothing. I just for push and just for got you and just for fight the fight.
Even though we have a goal, don't think so we are left with head back here. It's pussy run up and you will get binds. Binds! Song will start it down now get binds already. Oh, the spoil over here, you ain't worried for binds. Let's go.
Fight out to that. I just want to feel like say, Mama, them can't see me on Mama, well, them can't see me on a tour.
Mama, them can't see me on the floor. Them are going to see your son out there on a tour. Yeah, go see me out there on a tour. Yo, big up the whole production team behind the one, man. Big up everybody who take part in the video. Big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah.
Top scorer. Goals. Yo, Jae Prynse.
Man, Joffy.
Life for the creative. Goals.
I never expect this collab, but it's here. We got it. Do it. Let's go. Breaking down.
Goals. Big horses. The rust.
That is goal. Your goal come with growth. Yeah, growth. Not so much of a big word, but you know what I mean. Growth. Your goal come with growth. House the Jae Prynse. Yeah. House. Houses. Estates. Real estates. Goals.
Big horses. The rust. Yellow wine. No clothes. Rich and it shows.
Yellow wine. No clothes. Naked birthday suit, mama. That is what we're talking about. Yeah.
Yellow wine.
No clothes.
Rich and it shows. Me feel like I'm boss. So my post me haters. Them see my post cause I
drink it orange juice. Both of my haters them. Fuck that. Who can drink orange juice as bat? Haters look at me drink orange drinks. Yeah. Post! Let the pussy them sit and yeah get red. Yeah, belly hurt them.
Me feel like I'm boss. So my post me haters. Them see my post cause
I'm nothing wrong with boasting, bro. If you work hard for it, boast. Yeah. Boast and show them say, yo, if me can do it, you can do it too. Goals. That's right there.
Goals.
Fat Ride and Big House.
Yeah, me work hard, but most time I smartness, and sometimes I craftness.
Me work hard, but more time I smartness. I crap. I always tell my people them say, listen, I don't work hard enough, I work smart. I work smart for a reason. Why work hard when you can work smart and get the same result? Eh?
Work hard, but most time I smartness.
Yeah.
And sometimes I craftness. Cause where we come from them only see we as crosses.
Where we come from them only see we as crosses, brother. Moms, you're pretty. Look at her eyes, Danny. Yo, no, don't get distracted. Stick to the goals.
No, them know we are bosses. And every youth on the ground we are skate on the toll. No say them did say we wouldn't pass this.
Enough of them tell me that too. Enough of them tell me say me wouldn't make it. Look at me now. Bite in your face. Suck yourself. Suck yourself. Hold your face again. Suck yourself. Moms, look at you. Look at you.
My buck a gal in the club, I shouldn't fully work out. Miss a nag on Miami for your ass lift, cause I just was.
Buck a gal, look how much you fully work out. What?
Work out, miss a nag on Miami for your ass lift, cause I just
Goals.
big horses, the rush.
Yo, the video clean like Jesus Police record. The video clean like a done spitting book in a high school. Video clean. Big up on I done spitting them. Only if you learn something though. On a book for you have writing night. Let's go.
Gal a wine, no clothes, rich and it shows. Me feel like no one boss, so my boss, me haters, them see my post.
One thing you know, mama skin clean. Yo, I don't want YouTube to do that. Go on.
Goals, show them goals.
Double R's, Rolls Royce. Yeah, goals. That a goal.
Goals. Celebrate life, cause we make it on one. Look how long we have bleached on the road.
Celebrate life, cause we make it on one. Look how long we have bleached on the road. Remember, say them never cut no key, give me for forward na this. Forward it by myself, you know what, it feel even nicer when you make it by yourself. You see me? Without no hands out. Big up yourself, bad Juvie. Bad you bad.
I'm on a long carry a bitch pan a tool. And a bad bitch like she can't keep in her house. Rich lifestyle can't live it as a ghost.
A bad bitch like she can't keep it on her house. We have to outside. We have to outside with her. We have to outside make people see her. Goals. That is goals. What?
Bitch like she can't keep in her house. Rich lifestyle can't live it as a ghost.
Yo, Prince, Devin
Bitch over clean, I'm a note, take a picture on my phone.
Take a picture, man, and post, man. Make them see it. Yeah, me clean. I want to see him on seminar. Make it look at me now. I want to feel. Big earth or little earth. Eh? Big binds or little binds. Big binds. Big binds. Big binds. Suck yourself. Rude.
Goals. Big horses, the rush. Gal a wine, no clothes, rich and it shows.
Look at moms, man. Moms look hot in a leg. Moms look good.
Me feel like no one boss, so my post, me haters, them see my post, cause I goals, sure.
Yeah, man. You have to post, brother. Don't stop post, dog. Cause more time when you post, you gotta have some little negative comment for your cup. Just reply with positivity. Yeah, positive. Kill them with it.
Goals, come me reach my goal, I'ma show them, calm it down, what them, and God real for real, so I'ma reap on me, show them.
Facts. Yeah.
I'ma show them, calm it down, what them, and God real for real, so I'ma reap on me, show them. The Draco in the house with the fortune.
Running up. Wanna run in a pussy. Wanna not running. Running up.
If me I go a road, me I sport them. I've trust issues, only have 4 friends. Them a refer to me as one of the goat them.
I've trust issues. Me only have about 4 friends. Facts. Me not keep only my friend, bro. That's that.
I just see money on the bitches and the horse them. We have to get that free rich way. Goals. The big horses, the rolls.
Yes, man. The bigger horses rolls, brother. You deaf?
Yellow wine, the clothes. We're rich and it shows. And me feel like more and boss. So my boss, me haters, them see my post, cause I'm money.
Yo, the color of bad in the dog. Big up Bad Juvie and big up Jae Prynse in the dog. Jae Prynse, big up yourself, bro.
Goals, show them.
Bumbo clat. Collab. Big up yourself, Jae Prynse. Yo, Bad Juvie, big up yourself. Solid song. Video clean like Jesus Police record, like me done tell you now. Big up everybody who take part in the video. Big up the girls in the video. Big up the G in the video. See them here. You see me? Yeah. Goals. Please, out there, people out there, make sure you make on the goals in the dog. You see me? Make sure you make on the goals and work hard to it, bro. When I dead, no dash it to it, dog. You see me? Yeah, dog. You never know what tomorrow might bring. Just believe in yourself. Go out there, go look it. You go cook it. You know? Goals. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And this is a record.